Hello, hello. Welcome back. This is part two of my ping pong video. So if you want to go back and watch that one before watching this one, you can. But if you want a short summary, basically, I made the two players. So P2 right here is getting the points. You can see P1 is the arrow keys. P2 is WASD. I don't know why P2 score kind of looks like that. I'll just move it like this. But yes. So now I'm just gonna show you how to add a second ball, and I'll add some things you can add if you want to, if you don't want. If you want to. First, what you're gonna do is simple. First, you see P2. I have the scores right here. Now, what you're gonna do is you can click paint, right? Then I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna create a square this time. And you can make it whatever colors you want. I'm gonna put the same size as the ball. Then click on this. And then I'm just gonna do a little yellow like the other one. Oh, alright, now there's a perfect color match for right here. Now you can see it just spawns in right now. What you're going to want to do is grab this code. If you want it to move differently than these, then go ahead change it. But for now, you're gonna use basically that code, right? Instead of x00, you want to move this a little bit away. So I would go y5xy just so it can be a little bit of a more challenge. Now, as you can see, if you do this, it's just going to spawn in immediately, and we don't really want it to spawn immediately. We want to spawn after the players have gotten used to just the one ball. So what I'm going to do is when flag clicked, you're going to grab a forever if. Now, really, you want two ifs. Now, if you need operators equal to, um, where is P2 score? P2, yeah, 1. You're going to want to change P1 score to, let's say it is equal to 5. To 5 for both right now. And then you're going to want to make yourself show. Now, if you haven't already caught on, you're going to already show when it's 5 scores. So, what's really the point of doing that? Well, actually, we're just going to start hiding it now. So, up hide. So, see, it's moving down. I'm just gonna take it along. So, I'm just gonna try and make it go to the direction I want it to. Sometimes the ball's one thing like this. Kind of annoying. What you do is just, you want to restart it, try and get a better one. Now, what I'm going to do is just up. P2 is getting score on quickly. So, I'm going to let this run for a little bit. Just a tiny bit. And now you see, they're both in here. Now, as you can see, when you're gonna get the windscreen soon, because of how both balls are bouncing into the goal at about the same speed. So, yep, balls about. It's gonna take a little bit. So, let's and then P1. Oh no, what's happening? You can see. Took a little while because they weren't registering, but now you can see. The ball is still moving after the green flag. What you want to do is when backdrop switches to different backdrops, you see this is backdrop 3, I'm going to hide. And then you want to do the same thing for backdrop 2. Okay. Oh. As you can see, oh no, what happened? Why is it not switching back? Now, let's try and put switch backdrop to backdrop 1 at the first. See how that works. Wow. Fully fixed. Now this will be your basically simple, but also a little bit of a challenge game if you want to. There are a ton of different ways to make this, but this is my way of making it. So that will be all for today's video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.